Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to contour your nose. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment so that I'll know what you think about this video. So let's start. Applying setting powder by the side of my nose then. I don't like the idea of applying what's it called, concealer on the nose. I don't know if it's just my nose, but when I apply it on my nose it breaks, so I don't like it. Apply to my forehead using this shade to apply by the sides. Mixing this shade and this one, this and this, I apply on my face and dust off the remnants of the setting powder. So that's it for this video. As you can see how I contoured my nose, blending both the brighter shade and the darker shade and making my nose pinched and very beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can stay with me and give this video a big thumbs up. See you in my next video.